Redfin Apartment Rental Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think searching for apartments online is simple, but you won't believe what happens next when listings are outdated, fees aren't clear, or contact info is missing. Redfin is a real estate platform that provides property listings, market insights, and rental services. It offers apartment rentals, including photos, pricing, availability, and tools to connect directly with landlords or agents. The surprising truth about Redfin is that it combines data accuracy with user-friendly tools. You can view neighborhood insights, track price trends, and even schedule tours directly through the platform. Most people get this wrong. They assume all online rental listings are reliable. In reality, some platforms list properties that are unavailable or mispriced. Redfin focuses on verified listings to reduce wasted time and frustration. Redfin is best for renters looking for transparency, real-time updates, and access to detailed property and neighborhood information. The surprising truth is that using the right platform can save you hours, reduce stress, and help you find the ideal apartment faster. Subscribe for more honest real estate platform reviews that help you rent smarter and safer.